Did you know that China's economy has been growing at an astonishing rate, and some experts predict it could surpass the US economy as soon as 2027? Crazy, right? So, is China really on track to become the world's next economic superpower? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, China's rise as a potential economic superpower. With its rapid growth and expanding global influence, many are starting to wonder if the US should be worried. Let's explore what's happening over there. Now, it's not all smooth sailing for China. They face some significant challenges on their journey to the top. First off, there are the ongoing trade tensions with the US. These trade wars can really mess with China's economy and impact global markets. Then, there's the issue of economic inequality. While some cities are booming, rural areas are still struggling. This gap could lead to social unrest if not addressed. And let's not forget about environmental concerns. China is the world's largest emitter of greenhouse gases, and as they industrialize even more, that's a big problem. These challenges raise questions about whether they can truly claim the title of economic superpower. But what's China doing to tackle these issues? One major strategy is the Belt and Road Initiative, a massive infrastructure project that aims to connect China to countries all over Asia, Europe, and beyond. It's like a modern Silk Road, and it's all about boosting trade and investment. On top of that, China is making huge strides in technology. They're investing in AI, 5G, and other cutting-edge tech to position themselves as leaders in innovation. Plus, China plays a crucial role in global trade, being a major exporter and importer. All these strategies are part of their ambitious plan to solidify their status as an economic powerhouse. Now, let's talk about a pivotal moment that really highlights China's quest for superpower status. Recently, China hosted a major international summit focused on trade and investment, showcasing its growing influence on the global stage. Leaders from around the world attended, emphasizing the importance of cooperation with China. This event was a clear signal that many countries see China as a crucial player in the global economy. However, there are setbacks too, like recent sanctions and pushback from other nations. It's a seesaw of progress and challenges that makes this story so compelling. So, what have we learned today? China's rise as an economic superpower is complex, filled with both opportunities and challenges. While they have ambitious plans and are making significant advancements, they also need to navigate trade tensions, inequality, and environmental issues. The future is uncertain, but it's definitely a story worth following. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think China will become the next economic superpower? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos on global economics. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Catch you in the next one.